the co-founders of Palate Insights, and we basically do product testing in very authentic environments. So we partner with local restaurants and grocery stores across New York City, San Francisco, other parts of the world as well. And we hold these pop-up events where we basically showcase the product in very authentic settings. So in a restaurant, it's on the menu of a restaurant for the pop-up event. People are trying it, as you can see, as part of the menu and then giving their feedback. And then in a grocery store, we'll stock it on the shelves of any local grocery store, and people can come in and check it out and give their experiences of the packaging, the branding, stuff like that, and even take it home sometimes and try it at home as well. Today they're trying chicken sandwiches. So it's the chicken, unbreaded chicken breast is what we're testing, a bunch of different samples, and then we're preparing it in a sandwich with like the bun, tomato, lettuce, and any condiments you'd like.
I'm Janice. I hope you got my good side. Um, let's see. I kind of lost the survey, but ooh, the bread is nice and soft. Mm.
All right, thank you. I know. I appreciate it.
Nice, moist.
Yeah, Orion Diner and Grill, headed by Asti himself. But yeah, no, it's been around for a while. I think it's since the early 2000s, very early 2000s, if I'm fully remembering correctly. And yeah, it's a neighborhood staple. They're open 24/7, so like truly 24/7, every holiday, every day. So it's a great spot.